name is Christopher de Sax. I'm a senior engineer in the CSIR Smart Mobility. Most of my research is around sustainable road freight and safety in road freight transport. So today here at Geratech, we're doing some experiments on what are called low rolling resistance tyres. We're wanting to measure the impact that those can have on reducing fuel consumption in road freight transport. This is a collaborative research effort between Wits, CSIR and Michelin, with some input from Cambridge University as well. Part of the new Centre for Sustainable Road Freight in South Africa. So this work is very well aligned with the new CSIR strategy, specifically speaking to industrial relevance and also to localizing technologies. So in this case, we're looking at the impact that this technology from Michelin can have today nationally in addressing carbon emissions, the cost of transport, and the cost of logistics in general. And it also speaks to localizing technologies. In this case, we are implementing what's called the SRF logger, which comes from the SRF in the UK, which is the Centre for Sustainable Road Freight. And we're lucky to have Dr. Zhao Zheng here from Cambridge, who's implementing this data acquisition device for these vehicle tests. And then we hope to have that localized for future research in South Africa as well.
I'm Xiaoxiang, so I came from the Centre for Sustainable Road Freight at the UK, which is based in the University of Cambridge. So I came to South Africa to help our sister centre in South Africa, which is led by Frank. So at Cambridge University, we developed a mobile phone app, which is called SRF Logger, which can be used to understand the fuel benefit, engine performance, and all sorts of things about heavy trucks. So we bring that device to South Africa and help professor here to understand their experimental data. So here you can see they have some collaboration with Michelin. So I'm very happy to put my logger on their trucks and to help there to establish their center to set up their collaboration with their industry partners.
My name is Hein Venter. I'm the Customer Engineering Support Manager for Africa. I oversee passenger car tyres and truck and bus tyres at Michelin. With reference to the test and with the Sustainable Road Freight Centre, the Sustainable Road Freight Centre is purely there to decarbonise. The main objective is there to showcase what they can do for especially the transport companies to decarbonise. With the truck tyres we're testing here today, we have two different options. We have the one which is the normal X Multi HD range, which is the one purely there for maximum mileage and lower CPK, as we call cost per kilometre. Then we're testing it against the X-Line Energy range, which is purely there for fuel saving. Every third tank is purely because of the tyre you're placing on your vehicle. So we can see from the week's testing that there's a definite saving from the X-Line versus the X Multi HD range in terms of fuel consumption. Now this will have a big effect on transport in South Africa, the people of South Africa, and especially the environment in South Africa.
My name is Frank Kienover. I'm an academic at Wits University, and the bigger picture is that we're part of a Centre for Sustainable Road Freight, which has been initiated in South Africa, which is very similar to a centre in the UK involving Cambridge University and Wits University. And in the local centre we have Wits University, the CSIR, Stellenbosch University, TUT and the University of the Western Cape, all working together to look to reduce emissions, make road transport safer and to reduce costs. And with these tests today, we're involving Michelin and looking to do evidence-based trials to reduce the carbon emissions of road transport. And when we compare these green tyres or low rolling resistance tyres, we're very happy to announce that we've got an 8% reduction in the CO2 emissions and the fuel consumption.